Over here, team. Follow me.
Careful. Radiation levels are disturbingly high. We don't know where these meteors came from.
There's something moving down there.
I despise insects.
What were those things?
Obviously some sort of mechanical insect larva, hatched from those meteor-like eggs. Oh, disgusting!
Huh, I forgot you hate bugs, Gibson.
They're a wretchedly unevolved species, and they freak me out.
Let's get back on patrol, team. The night's not over yet.
Come on, Gibson!
So, Gibson, you figure out where those meteors came from yet?
I'm stupefied. Apparently the meteors didn't come from space at all.
So where are they from?
I don't know. They simply appeared in our atmosphere.
Interesting. We should investigate this mystery further.
No need, Antari. We put the beat down on those creepazoid bugs.
After all, they were only simple-minded arthropods. What threat could such an inferior species pose?
Gibson, what's happening?
Apparently we missed one of the meteors. A fifth one fell within the perimeters of the city.
Nice going, Mega Brain. I guess there's more bugs than you thought.
Our scanners must have simply missed one. It's not my fault.
All right. Me and Otto will go check it out. You guys keep a lookout for more meteors. The reading said the meteor landed somewhere around here.
I don't see it. Maybe it bounced.
Meteors don't bounce, Otto. Come on, let's take a look from up here.
There it is. Wow, I've never seen self-replicating robot insects before. Pretty neat.
Don't worry, there's only 2 of them. Now we worry. Move!
Zero!
Monkey Team, come in. Come in, Monkey Team. Do you read me? Monkey Team?
It's a good thing there were only 2 of those things.
2 or 2 million? What are we gonna do? There's too many to fight. The team!
Hero?
Hold on, Otto! Look out! For a few hours. We need a plan.
I didn't think we had any more bugs to worry about. Right, Gibson?
Yes. Well, we'll find a solution to our pest problem right here. Organic interior? Quite nauseating.
Let's begin.
Antari?
What are they doing?
Antari is going to probe the insect's mind for answers.
$80 million years in the future, only insects remain. The most advanced race, the Vreen, dominate by building robot bodies to inhabit. They removed their brains and placed them into cybernetic death machines. This enabled them to conquer space, devouring life all throughout the cosmos. But after eons of destruction, the Vreen finally ran out of food. And so they were forced to send their offspring back in time to feed off the organisms of the past.
They've come from the future to eat us.
And they won't stop until they wipe out every living thing.
That will never happen. If this new data is correct, I'm going to make sure the Vreen have no future.
Bugs. They got everyone.
So what's your plan already, Gibson?
I'll explain once we enter the sewer line.
Sewer line? You gotta be pulling my cybernetic parts. What are we doing here?
We're searching for this insect, the Vreen's ancestor. It's a mutant strain. Only one exists.
Yeah, so?
Don't you see? This lone insect will one day evolve into the entire race of Vreen.
So if we keep the bug from replicating...
The Vreen will no longer exist.
Scanners, place the insect within this chamber. Keep your eyes open.
Let's make this quick, before I throw up.
Closer, closer, closer still. There it is!
Steady, steady. Don't scare it.
Now, jump it!
Let's take it down.
Wait, Nova. Look!
The Vreen are adapting to our attacks.
There's too many of them!
Retreat! Everyone retreat!
Go on, run! I'll hold them off.
them!
No, Chill, there's too many. They'll capture us all. Everyone, return to the super robot. Futile, Shiro. We need the super robot.
It's not possible. How could this be? The Vreen have been one step ahead of me the whole time.
It's all right, Gibson. The bugs are just smarter than you. Relax.
They are not smarter than me. They are insects. Insects, I tell you!
Gibson, I'm clearing the static interference.
It's some kind of humongous hive.
Antari, zoom in. Sparks and Nova, they're alive!
For now, it appears they're being stored for food.
Don't worry, team. I have a plan to stop the Vreen once and for all.
Another plan?
Yes! At last, we'll see who the brighter life form is. Insect or simian.
My guess is insect.
My hands are all gunked up. I can't transform them.
The harder I struggle, the gooier I get.
You know, at least we get to be stuck together, Nova. We might be here for a long, long time.
Help! Help! Get me out of here! I can't take it anymore!
Getting a visual on the ancestor bug.
Keep it on target, Shiro.
The hive is beginning to open.
What is that thing?
Let's ask it after we squash it!
Take to the air, team.
It's preparing an attack.
Otto, get us in the air!
I'm trying!
That was too close. Ready, torso cannons, fire!
Exoskeleton's too powerful! Wow, those bugs are better engineers than me!
It's on the offense again.
Firing cluster bombs, now!
The beetle is stopped. Now, team, get in position.
Here it comes. Antari, ready to launch!
I'm in position.
Fire! Firing flame strike, now!
Activating Lasertron Fury. It's not over yet, Otto. The Vreen are already onto our scheme.
Antari! Look out!
only one thing left to do.
What? What's happening?
Vreen is ceasing to exist.
The insects and their destruction are vanishing.
Their only ancestor is no more.
You did it, Gibson.
You outsmarted those bugs!
Actually, I simply out-ate them.
Well, I guess things are finally back to normal. The skies are clear, the sectors are quiet, and the world is safe once more.
Sure, kid. You said that exact same thing last night, remember?
Uh-oh. I just picked up an image on our long-range scanner.
What? The Vreen are back again?
It's not possible.
The craters.
There's something moving down there.
Space kittens?
Oh, they're so cute. I wonder if they eat human flesh.
Well, I hope none of you expect me to eat them.